This textbook does like z's, doesn't it? Oh, let's see. What do you see? I see a constant, so that 3 is just coming along for the ride. Then I have z squared times e to the z. So another function I did had an e to the 5. That was a constant. But you see how e being raised to a z makes it an exponential function. And I see a product. So 3's coming along for the ride. Now I'll use the product rule. Remember, the product rule is u v prime plus v u prime, or the reverse. So z squared times e to the z, because the derivative of e to a power is, or e to a variable is just itself, plus e to the z times 2z. And I don't think we can clean much up, so 3z squared e to the z plus 6z e to the z. And we could do some factoring, but they are looking for the second derivative, so would it be easier to factor? Maybe. I mean, otherwise you're going to do the product rule once here, I'm going to do the product rule once here, and then combine. Maybe that'd be easier. Let's try it. Let's try it. If you don't mind me running the video, we'll do it. So let's see. I mean, this is what I'd be doing on the board in the classroom, folks. So just so you know. So isn't this the original function? Isn't that first one the original function? It is. So we've already done that derivative. So I know here. Let's just write it this way. 3z squared e to the z plus 6z e to the z. So that's the derivative of this. It's the same as the original function. Plus, so now I've got a 6, and I've got z times e to the z. Well, what's the derivative? So z times the derivative of e to the z is the same thing. Plus e to the z. And what's the derivative of 1z? Just 1. So I think they're going to ask us to clean this up a little bit. So why don't we? Let's see. So that becomes 9z squared e to the z plus 18z e to the z. Are there going to be any like terms here? Oh, there is. Look at this. So 6z e to the z plus 6e to the z. So 9z squared e to the z plus 24z e to the z plus 16e to the z. Man, that's a lot of z's. All right, so that's double prime. Oops. And is that it? Have I done this question? Yeah, I did. So it's probably a good thing I did this problem for you.